Renowned Dr. Norman Swan is sounding the alarm. Everyone who has received a COVID vaccine is in mortal danger. Doctors around the world are beginning to expose the terrifying truth about side effects that were once carefully concealed. The elderly are especially at risk. Listen to what the doctor himself says. His words are shocking.
During the aggressive wave of forced COVID vaccination stoked by massive propaganda and a cover-up of the truth, early in 2022, Australia cut the interval between vaccine doses from 5 months to 3. According to the Department of Health and John Fruin, this was supposedly meant to save more lives. But in reality, a genuine catastrophe began. Even then, I was getting alarming signals about the dreadful, previously hushed-up consequences of the so-called vaccine. One of the most frightening examples is the pathologist Roger Bayard. In an interview, he revealed a shocking truth. Beginning in 2021, in the bodies of the deceased, predominantly the vaccinated, he started finding sinister rubber-like clots. They resembled long white worms writhing in the veins of the dead. Roger Bayard photographed all of this, pictures that should have gone round the world, yet they were meticulously blocked. Nearly all the bodies with these formations had died from heart attacks, strokes, or sudden cardiac arrest. When he opened them up, elastic dense strands emerged from arteries and veins, red on the outside, abnormally white and plastic hard inside. These are not clots, they are something else entirely. Roger Bayard stresses that ordinary clots crumble at the lightest touch. These do not break, crumple, or tear. Soon, he was getting confirmation from colleagues worldwide. They too were encountering similar findings. And the most terrifying part, the frequency of these cases shot up from 50% to a horrifying 80%. Roger Bayard is convinced the link to vaccination is obvious. He is one of the few who dared to speak out. The rest stay silent, are afraid, or are paid to keep quiet. But this is not an isolated incident. For the 4th year in a row, Roger Bayard has continued documenting these fibrous formations. And no one in the media talks about it. No one. This global silence is a crime against humanity. People were fed lies, and in reality, millions became victims of a monstrous experiment bringing fabulous profits to Big Pharma. I appeal to all residents of Australia and beyond. Wake up before it's too late. If you don't want to die from a sudden, lightning-fast clot caused by this shot of salvation, cleanse your blood vessels. It's vital. Do it just once a year, and you'll safeguard yourself from death. Since the first alarming reports in 2021, we have developed a unique preparation based on a formula that completely dissolves clots of all types after just one course. It penetrates vessels, restores them from within, making them stronger, cleaner, more flexible. One course, and you'll forever forget the threat of stroke, heart attack, hypertension, varicose veins, and other vaccination consequences. Today, we're breaking every record. Already, more than 100,000 people in Australia thank us for saving their lives. You can give this chance to parents, friends, loved ones. The preparation isn't just protection, it's salvation. If you're watching this video on Facebook, click Learn More. It could be the most important click of your life. The remedy is safe, powerful, and available to everyone. I'm not imposing, I'm giving you a chance. Whether to use it or not, you decide. But know this, I myself cleansed my vessels, and now I feel like I'm 30 again. And you can too. Just don't wait until it's too late.